Welcome back to Pump Info News. My people, it already though they say that Sonny Agbarawa and Pastor Vam Vam Vam, as it stand right now, they say Hane Bezikwanya Manyamo, it don't read for their head as Biafra government in exile don't expect them come out for the government. What thing they do, we go hear them for this video.
Even blossoming, looking better than they are. Can somebody reason with me what is going on here? What is going on is Biafra have come to stay. And if you're talking about this, one of those mad people that you must crush before you destroy Biafra, I swear to God, I'm one of them. Mazin Namdi say when mad people join this movement, Biafra, do you guys just think once we say we have declared the United States of Biafra, Biafra will just turn to Dubai? Hell no! It's a process. It's a process. This is when the diplomatic war starts. And you cannot dissolve the government in exile. The government in exile will remain until the government in Biafra land is fully rest and defended. That's where you dissolve it. Now, when you dissolve it and create another government, what are you going to call the other government? As long as that government is in outside Biafra land, it's still government in exile. The same group of people from the old government that said was dissolved are still the same group of people in the new government. What a shame. As far as I'm concerned, the Biafra Republic government in exile is here to stay, and is here to stay and do everything necessary until Biafra is fully restored, until we chase our enemy out of our territory. Then we now transit. That's how it works. We have a lot of people that don't know how government runs. A lot of people don't know how government runs. We have too many people there.
Finance, thank you so much. Thank you so much.
We have a lot of people that don't know how it runs. But as far this government must stay, and this government, I was in Washington, D.C. for over one straight month, meeting to meeting. They know us as Biafra Republic government in exile. Then what about tomorrow? You go back there and say United States of Biafra. They will look at you. What is this guy talking about? Hell no, that's not how it works. I can tell you how government is run, how government is worked. And for Biafrans, start asking questions. Everything that is happening now supposed to have been in the open, but we kept it quiet, secret. Let go and achieve that vote that was counted. Two things that we take, the two things take away of the Finland Convention, the vote that was counted, and the delegate vote. These are the two major wins. That's why we kept quiet. That's why we make sure in Finland we don't open up anything. We just, Biafrans are smart. Thank God they have somebody like me. But I didn't go crazy in Finland. But I make my statement. Make sure that December the 2nd, I yell, I raise my voice. I said, my fellow Biafrans, everyone in the venue, when is the day that we all agree? When is the day that we all sign the contract, say we're going to restore Biafra? When is that day? And they gave me the feedback of the energy. I work with the energy in the room. The people in the arena, in the venue, they say it's December 2nd. And I asked them, what is December 2nd? They say it's the day of our declaration. A lot of you don't know that I was working with the energy of the people in the room. And I find out that the people in that arena, they all agree with me that the rightful ordained day is December the 2nd. All fellow Biafrans that believe in December the 2nd, you made history. But if you want to believe in premature declaration, when vote is not yet counted, how will you even declare a nation where you have not counted your vote, while the delegates have not even voted? Can I let the Western world don't laugh at us? They are watching us. Thank you. Come tomorrow. Let's support their fundraising, something that our leader, Prime Minister, have never even questioned about our account, have never even discussed it, because he knows everything is going perfectly. Is it now we're going to question it? Please, everybody come tomorrow. Let's do what's right. But there's a lot of ongoing diplomat war that we're on. Thank you.
Thank you, our Honorable Minister of Finance. Out of your tight schedule, you were able to make it to speak to Biafra. Thank you so much. And we salute your sacrifices and everything you've done for Biafra and what you will do for Biafra, because we have just started the journey. It is now the journey start. After this declaration of Biafra, it is now the journey has started in full scale. Yes, it is now you will understand the real meaning of restoring Biafra going forward now. That is why funding is very, very, very important, because we need that money for the diplomatic, the political, and the defense. And the political and diplomatic will not listen to us if the defense is not strong. If the men on ground are not giving one Nigeria, woto, if we are not delegitimizing them head on, they will not listen to us, because if we go and meet them, they will just say, they don't see any action coming from your end. But until they see that the cry is increasing from the terrorists then every day. Hey!
Marisani, somebody from Facebook is requesting for the Zelle number, and he wants to pay his own right here now. So I don't know if you
It's
understand.
requesting for what? The Zelle number?
Yeah. Somebody, AGK Obiezu.
Okay, just open the website. Open the website. Open the
Oh,
Biafra
How
God
much is
I
website.
it
don't know.
donating?
I'm using the phone. I can't open the website from here. I'm using the phone
Okay,
for this
please.
thing.
Okay, let me talk to the person so that I can hear me. The person on Facebook comment section, for you to get the Zelle link to make payments.
Wait, why are we rushing? Where are we going? Will we rush and fail? I hate war. Where are we going? There's a lot in my disposal. There's a lot I know. But the time is coming. Everything gradually will start unfolding. Whatever blind the eyes of Biafrans, everyone will start waking up. What happened to December 2nd? We are trip to Finland, hoping December 2nd we declare Biafra. All of a sudden, on the 29th, the first date, the vote haven't been counted, the delegates haven't cast their vote. One nomadic, see Biafra declared 29 more. The second, that's when Biafra was declared. It's the second, that's the agreement. I want agreement. Agreement here, but agreement here. And then what the people that said they're going to come and disrupt everything and that. 29, they didn't show up. We didn't see them. 30th, we didn't see them. 31, on the first, we didn't see them. On the second, we didn't see them. Who do who? Why you? Just because somebody want to be in charge and cage me and you. Our prime minister once said, they want to get to you. But before they get to you, he said he's blocking their way. He said he's the one. They have to pass through him first. My boss said that without me being in some people's way, they will cage all of you. You people ask questions. Why is it that Mazioge have to bring his own money to pay for that? That place will go down in history. That was the rego. The money that I borrowed, I have not even seen it yet. Mama Kuogwa, which I know here from Finland. Where are you? When you was crying, begging me, fake human being. Why you didn't tell the rest of Biafra's what's going on behind the scene? When you get to Finland, do you even recognize me? Do you even act like you know me? I walk to you, I say, Uche, this is you. Uche, I say, this is you? You didn't even ask anything. You didn't even ask Mazi, where are you? Where are you staying? Are you safe? Are you okay? You almost kill me because of your lies, because of your double face. Do you even care about me? The same man that saved the situation to make sure that we have a roof in our head when we get to Finland. The same man that saved the situation to make sure that we pay for the restaurant. All this achikate huono maguna COS or June. Unukurogwea. All you are doing is to cook lies. Because you want to be in social media all over to portray yourself, to lead who? A woman that know in Biafra land. Woman don't collect, call her out. This useless woman. Yeah, where Biafras, wake up. Tomorrow is our fundraising. Our account, we're not going to be changed. We're not going to change our account. We have gone through this before. How long will you learn? How long? How long? Wake up. Somebody will sacrifice. Somebody will do everything to make sure we keep going. Our prime minister, do you all know people behind him that make us get this far? I'm one of the pillars. Yes, go to your native doctor, go to any of your gods, go and ask them who is Maz Yogi. I'm proud of where I am, and I'm happy for my contribution. And I'm happy to even say, yes, I take care of that roof in Finland that everybody was jumping. We went to Finland to redeclare United States of Biafra. Ask who make it happen. It's not about your grammar, your English, your write-up. It's your common sense and who you are. If I have not paid the bill, all of you that don't want to contribute money, you think money can do nothing. Money have a lot to play. We have our men on ground. They have needs. Since our prime minister, since they took him for questioning, I have been the one in charge. I have been the one taking care of them. They took him for questioning. I have been the one in charge. I have been the one taking care of them. And they have this Nikompu called Solomon, who our prime minister actually warned him. Disease from the men on ground. He paraded himself with Ngozi, called himself COS, deceiving people all about everywhere. About how fun. Do you think that if we are having problems financially or the finance minister is not doing his job, our prime minister is going to let me see hold the office before I join this struggle and never apply for it? They vote me in because they see my impact and my truthfulness. Yes, they see my truthfulness. Before then, I have put hundreds of thousands. When you call that kind of money for this, whoever haven't touched 1,000 before, they will ask how. Keep your hands straight, you'll be fine. Do the right thing. What's wrong if I serve my people? What's wrong if I die for Biafra? We have some that volunteer, they are in the bushes. Some of them have lost their beloved one. Some of them have not seen their wife, their husband, their children for years. These are sacrifice. Our leader, Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, is in the hand of our enemy for more than 2-3 years now. It's sacrifice. Our leader, prime minister, where he is now, is part of sacrifice. What have some people sacrificed? Some just want to float around. While we are here, worried about what's going on in Finland, why some are shining? Some don't even feel it. Some are even blossoming, looking better than they are. Can somebody reason with me what is going on here? What is going on is Biafra have come to stay. And if you
still there for Pump Info News, my wonderful people, drop your own opinion for inside comment section and share the video. Go give the others so may they know what thing they happen, because this money where they find you, be like say they not go get out for this last one. I bet more gonna share this video.